Okay, my fellow YouTubers, we are going to put in the transfer case on this 2012 Denali. Most of your Denalis are, and your Tahoes are the same, probably even some pickups. So nobody has a video on how to install this. So we just put a remanufactured tranny in. The trick with the remanufactured tranny, putting that in, is you gotta let this engine sit on the oil pan cross member so you can get at the bolts that are on top of the tranny. If you don't, if you use a trans jack to help support it and you don't let it droop all the way down, you'll never get up in between that bell housing. You'll strip the bolts. So make sure that thing is resting. Now, to put it in, your cross member is out, your exhaust is out, and you have this block of wood. I got a piece of oak. It's a 1x3, and you just put it in between, and it's sitting sideways in there. So you can see there's almost no clearance between the top of this tranny and the hump. So what I'm gonna do is lower it down gently, and this transfer case, that tail has to go over the back. See that back cross member? So you got to put it in sideways, but it won't go in sideways if you don't have that tranny all the way up. So if you're trying to put it in with the tranny down, tilted, it's not going to work. So get that tranny right up, use your block, then put your transfer case in sideways, and then maneuver it around. And put it this way, since this is in my garage, you could probably get two guys or one pretty strong guy to just lift that up and slide it right in. Slide it in on the studs. Me, I'm a little bit older now, and this jack, my two-poster does not go all the way up. I have a 10-foot ceiling, but this is a pretty tall vehicle, so I can't put it all the way up. So I'd be kind of like halfway breaking my back, so I'm going to use the jack. I'm going to lower it, turn it sideways, get it in position, and then fit it in while the car's much lower to the ground. But like I say, since nobody has a video on how to put this thing in, I'm telling you how to do it. The transmission and engine have to be pretty much level. The exhaust is off, because when you put this in with that longer tail shaft, you have to put it in sideways, spin it up there, and then put it in. So hope that helps you out. It's pretty quick. If you've done it before, and even if you haven't done it, once you get all that stuff out of the way, like I said, you just spin it sideways, put her up in there, but that tranny has to be all the way up. You notice I don't have the cross member in yet, and what I will do is, as soon as that the transfer case is on the back, I'm going to put that cross member in right after I put the exhaust in. So you need the room, so that's the way to do it. Hopefully this video helps, and peace out. God bless America, and no electric vehicles, please. Forget it.